Hello everyone, today I will introduce you CGDI BMW how to do EGS change. Here, this function, EGS change. You enter into this page, it will show you select gearbox type, only for F series, E series not support for now, 6 HP and 8 HP. Today we got a 6 HP, and here we not connect the OBD, so it will show you OBD connection failed. Concern it. We need to check the wiring diagram to wiring, then we can use it. Here, today we got a 6 HP EGS, and we must do this on bench. You need to pour out your EGS. Here, it has a word shows its part number, not clearly, but still can see. Okay. And we need 12 voltage power, CGDI device, OBD cable, and a adapter here. Here is the diagram. This adapter, you can follow this diagram to make it. It is not complex. 4 cables out, and it requires a external power, 12 power. You can make it, or you can buy it from our website. Okay. Then let us connect six cables. Yellow can high, green, yellow can low, green can high, and 2 power, red cable. And 2 GND, black cable. Here, this place it has a GND too, not clearly in picture. You can check it. The cable should be like this. Okay, then connect the OBD. And external power to the EGS. 12 voltage. Then we enter this page again. Choose 6 HP. Here, OBD successfully connected. Here, we can do backup data recover, and erase reset. No matter what function you use, first you must backup your data. Clean it. And when it backup data or do other operation, make sure the cover connect good. No touch the device and the power. No touch them. It is backing update and it shows you the chip info. Just need to wait sometimes. Okay, data backup is successful, and here is the fail save path. Normally it saved in CGDI user data place. Open your file location, find user date, check the VN here, 92008, 92008, this one, and the time. I have done it before, so it has two fields. This field is the new field. Okay, when we done backup data, you must to disconnect the power, then connect it again. You can do other operations. Data recover you can use to change a donor EGS. Erase reset you can erase the EGS to version it, then use CGDI to program it in car, then it can use. Okay, we first erase reset it. Here, check the VN number, erase it. Here, it will tips you execute this function and reset EGS to a new state. You just need to make sure it tips you, it will make EGS to a new state and must back up your original data, this function. Then make sure your cover and power is connected good. Then click yes. Here, it has VN information, no, and when our erase reset successful, the VN will be all 0. Here, the LED is blind here. Okay, erase reset successfully. Here, let us identify OBD timeout. The ECU didn't respond to the command. We need to disconnect the power, connect it, then click identify. It is normal. And here, the VIN information is all there though. Then now we can use this EGS in other car. Just put it in car, then use CGDI to program this EGS, then it can be used. Here, if you want to clone a EGS, you can choose this function, data recover. Here, we enter into this page again. Click data recover. Here, the date is about to be written. The operation will override the original date of the ECU. We just click yes. Found the date you want to write in. Here I choose this one. Click open. Then it will write okay. Restore the date successfully. Then disconnect the power. Connect it. Click identify. The VIN is 000 no. Identify. Here. The VIN is changed. Then you can put this EGS back to car directly to use it. Okay. And here, the device activation time. It has this function, software activation. Click it. Activated successfully. The time is changed to 13 days. Just in case sometimes you want to do it and the time is 0. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.